If you want to generate things faster and cheaper, well, you're in the right place because we just launched Flux Klein in Kittl, and I'm going to show you how crazy fast this is. Typically, quality generation can take anywhere from 30 to even 90 seconds, and this is like 2 seconds. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let's jump in a project. So I'm just in a blank Kittl project here. I'm going to go down to the AI bar right here, generate with AI. I'm going to make sure that Flux Klein is selected from the image models right here in this list. And I don't really have an idea of what I want to generate, but there are prompt generation suggestions here. If you would like to click more, there's some already there, but I'm going to click more. And these are some pretty awesome starting points, but I'm going to go with the pixel art. So it looks like an illustration of a capybara sitting in water with some text. Let's try it out. We've got our aspect ratios and the amount of images that we want to generate. Since this is so fast and so cheap, I'm actually going to go for 4. I'm going to click 4 and see what kind of different generations it gives us. See, I was like barely finished with what I was saying before. It's already generated 4 of these. That's insane. All the text is perfect, pixelated. The capybara is pixelated as well. Let's try out another one of these prompt suggestions here. Let's go with T design. People like doing t-shirt designs a lot. Again, 4 generations. I'm just going to move these over here. And we've got 4 stellar designs within like 4 seconds. That's crazy. Now let's see how it does remixing one of these. Let's take this one, for instance, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click remix, make sure I've got my correct model selected, correct aspect ratio, and I'm just going to do 1 for this. I'm going to say, change the text on the top to Cat Cafe. Let's try that. And just under 4 seconds, it's got a perfect change right here. It's even got the slight texture and the text. Everything else about this image is untouched, which is fantastic because AI used to really struggle with changing stuff that it wasn't supposed to change. Now, keep in mind that you can also use this on artboards. So I'm just going to draw an artboard here. I'm going to drag my design onto it and just use it as the background. So the first way that we were doing AI image generations was just directly on the canvas. That's just coming down here, generate image. You know, you put your prompt in, you generate things. They just pop up as images on the canvas. They're not on an artboard or anything. And then the second way was remix, which you are selecting an image or multiple images. You can select multiple images and then remix them into a new generation that also populates directly on the canvas. So that's one way of generating. If you want a little bit more of a visual flow, we have flows. It is actually called flows. So if you select your artboard, you've got your image or your generation or whatever you're starting with on an artboard, you can come right here and then select AI image, or you can click and drag and place it where you want it to go. Select what you want to do, AI image, and then put your changes in here. And then make sure you have the correct image generation model selected. We're going to do Flux Klein again. So I've got changed the cat illustration to a dog, keep the same color palette, and change Cat Cafe to Dog Cafe. Make sure you've got your correct image generation model selected here. Sometimes it can default to another one. And your aspect ratio, and then we'll just hit generate. And we have a beautiful generation right there in just under 5 seconds. It does take a few more seconds to do a remix than it does an initial image generation, I guess, because there's a little bit more magic happening with that. But the best thing about flows is I can just take this, do another one down here, and say we wanted to do the animal as something different. We're going to do a Fox Cafe one, and let's try Lion Cafe as well. And that is perfect as well. So in just under 30 seconds, I've got 3 different iterations of this design, which is pretty incredible. Now, here's a pro tip. So if you wanted to do multiple generations at the same time, breaking away from a flow, what you would do is click the smartboard, convert that to an image. Now, once you have this image, I want you to click remix, make your changes, and now you again have the option to generate more than just one image at a time. So if you're doing flows, you can only connect to one artboard. It's not going to generate multiple artboards at a time. But if you're wanting to kick back into that generating multiple different options, you can just change your smartboard to an image and then select 4 images in your prompt box, then hit generate, and you're back to doing multiple generations at a time. So this image generation model is absolutely perfect for lots of testing and very, very quickly. So you're not burning through a lot of credits and you're wanting to test multiple different prompts, trying to get lots of different variations of things. Pro tip is to take advantage of the remix feature so you can generate multiple images at a time, get all of those different variations, and then pick the one that you want. And then you can just continue remixing it until you have what you want. And this model being super quick and cost effective makes that a lot easier. If you're not already using Kittl, it is free to try. And if you are on a free plan and you need to upgrade, we have a promo code for you in the description of this video. And before you go, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the Kittl YouTube channel so you don't miss any updates or any of the amazing, exciting things that we have going on here at Kittl. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.